Sell. He plans to sell his old car. Sell. He plans to sell his old car. Teach. I teach mathematics at a high school. Teach. I teach mathematics at a high school. Learn. We should learn from our mistakes. Learn. We should learn from our mistakes. Remember. Remember to water the plants. Remember. Remember to water the plants. Forget. Don't forget your umbrella at home. Forget. Don't forget your umbrella at home. Try. Always try your best in everything. Try. Always try your best in everything. Stop. Stop right there. Stop. Stop right there. Start. Let's start the project next week. Start. Let's start the project next week. Pull. Pull the door to open it. Pull. Pull the door to open it. Push. Push the cart forward. Push. Push the cart forward. Lift. Can you lift this heavy box? Lift. Can you lift this heavy box? Fall. The leaves fall in autumn. Fall. The leaves fall in autumn. Throw. Don't throw garbage on the road. Throw. Don't throw garbage on the road. Catch. Can you catch the ball? Catch. Can you catch the ball? Bring. Bring your books to class. Bring. Bring your books to class. Send. I'll send the email by evening. Send. I'll send the email by evening. Build. They hope to build a house next year. Build. They hope to build a house next year. Break. Be careful not to break the vase. Break. Be careful not to break the vase. Choose. Choose wisely before making a decision. Choose. choose wisely before making a decision. Lose. I don't want to lose this game. Lose. I don't want to lose this game. Win. We aim to win the championship. Win. We aim to win the championship. Hurt. It might hurt a bit, but it'll heal. Hurt. It might hurt a bit, but it'll heal. Heal. The wound will heal in a week. Heal. The wound will heal in a week. Draw. She can draw beautiful portraits. Draw. She can draw beautiful portraits. Paint. I plan to paint my room blue. Paint. I plan to paint my room blue. Search. I'll search for the missing key. Search. I'll search for the missing key. Find. I hope to find a solution soon. Find. I hope to find a solution soon. Hide. Hide the gifts before she comes. Hide. Hide the gifts before she comes. Seek. Seek knowledge from every source. Seek. Seek knowledge from every source. Cut. Please cut the cake into 8 pieces. Cut. Please cut the cake into 8 pieces. Grow. These plants grow best in shade. Grow. These plants grow best in shade.